Hello guys, magandang araw and welcome back ulit dito sa ating channel. And for today's video guys, panibagong job hiring opportunity ang ating ibibigay sa inyo.
Wow.
So kung kayo po ay naghahanap ng ma-apply trabaho abroad, ito guys, hiring male and female production assembler bound to Hungary. So ang qualification guys, high school graduate at kailangan may 1 year experience as production assembler in any manufacturing company. At ang age requirement guys ay 21 hanggang 35 lang. Ulitin ko, 21 hanggang 35 lang at kailangan may 1 year experience sa production assembler. So paano nga ba mag-apply? Scan po ang QR code para makapag-fill up kayo ng online application or mag-submit kayo ng inyong resume walk-in sa ABA Personnel Agency. So yun lang guys, sana nakatulong. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe itong YouTube channel natin para mas marami pa tayong mga kababayang matutulungan. Yun lang guys, thank you for watching and God bless.